Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make chicken and sweet corn soup with crab. The crab is optional and this serves roughly 5 to 6 bowls. So the ingredients are cornstarch, chicken, crab sticks, salt, sugar, white pepper, egg, corn and sesame oil. This is pure sesame and chicken powder or stock. First off, we're going to cut the chicken into thin strips. Then we take the wrapper off the crab sticks and then cut the crab sticks to how you like it. Crack the egg and whisk it. Open the can and pour in 90% of it, or you can use all of it for a creamier taste. To be honest, just adjust it to how you like it. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch into a bowl. Add water to around halfway. Give it a good few stirs. Okay, we finished the prep, now onto the cooking. Heat the pan to medium to high heat. Pour in 1 litre of boiling water. Have a whisk ready for the egg pouring later. Wait till it's bubbling. Add the chicken. Boil it for around 3 minutes. For a stronger chicken flavour, add around half to 1 teaspoon of chicken powder or add chicken stock. Add the corn. Give it a good few stirs. Add the crab sticks. Ensure it's bubbling. Get your whisk and pour the egg in slowly while whisking. Add half to a teaspoon of salt. Add half to a teaspoon of sugar. Sprinkle some white pepper. Sprinkle some sesame oil. Give it a good stir. Stir the cornstarch and pour in half of it slowly. Give it a good few stirs. Slowly pour in most of it while stirring. Pour in the rest and give it a final few good stirs until it thickens. Make more if you're not satisfied with the thickness of it. And we're ready to dish it. Adjust the soup to your taste. You can add more salt or pepper to taste. Congratulations, you have made a chicken and sweet corn soup with crab. I hope you like it. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please chicken the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.